Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to install Windows 8. So first thing, you just need to get ISO image, so download it from the internet, and after you will be able for choosing it here. So after you can also just choose from here your USB flash drive, and after you can also just tap on start and just tap on start. So now you just need to wait until it will successfully install it on your flash drive. So thanks for watching, goodbye. For subscribers, today I will show you installation of Windows 8 on my iMac. So let's just choose language. After let's just tap next, install now, and now we just need to wait until it will load program for installation. So here we just need to tap right key and just tap on next. So now we just need to choose installation only Windows. Here you just need to choose where you want to install it. So I want to install it here. So now let's choose delete or format, and after we just need to wait until it will remove it, and we will be able for installing it. So we just need to wait some time, and so this one too. So now let's just choose this one and tap on next. So now we just need to wait until it will finish copying files, new files for your system. So thanks for watching, goodbye. After just reload your system, reload your computer will automatically reload, and after you will see this loader. So let's wait until it will open the system, and we will be able for continuing our installation. So here you can see preparing your devices. So you just need to wait until it will load. So you just need to wait this preparation, and after it will load the system. After, you just need here to choose your color you want to choose. For example, like this one. And after, you just need to write here your name of PC. So for example, like this one. And now just tap on next. So maybe we need to write it in English, so for example like this one. And just tap on next. So now you just need to choose your Wi-Fi. So now you just need to write your password. Just tap on next. After, just tap on use quick settings. So now you can also just write your username and your password. After, you will see like this one. After you successfully signing into your Gmail account. So just wait until it will install all updates and all initial settings you need to have on your computer, and you will be able for using that.